What up everybody, welcome to a special edition Boot Challenge video. Today I got Enrique, Antonio, and Anthony, and today we are doing the Connect 4 Cricket Eating Challenge. So here's the twist in this game. So this is a regular Connect 4 board, but we're only going to have 5 seconds to make your move. If you fail to make your move within 5 seconds, the opposing person will have 2 moves. So make sure you choose your move rapidly and wisely. So rules, we're going to have prelims where we're all going to face each other one time to figure out the standings for our tournament bracket. So the 1 seed is going to face the 4 seed, and the 2 seed is going to face the 3 seed. So the first semi-final match, 1 versus 4 and 2 versus 3, the losers are going to have to do 2 crickets each, where the finals, the loser will have to do 1 cricket each. Remember, we got sour cream and onion, salt and vinegar, and bacon and cheese. Each match would be 2 out of 3, so each person has to win 2 times to advance.
First prelim match. Ray versus Anthony.
Ready? Go. Loser. Next 4, let's go! Yeah!
Decision.
1-0, baby! Sorry, Anthony. It's time.
Yeah. Let's do that bacon and cheese.
Bacon and cheese. Here we go.
Oh man.
Oh man.
I wonder. His name.
Wait, pull it out.
His name was probably Stewart or something.
Oh, look at that. Look at the size of that thing. Oh man. Go! Oh no! How does it taste?
It's like eating a stale Lay's chip.
Oh! So 1 point goes to Ray. So the next round of preliminary action is Enrique versus Antonio. 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, fuck, I thought I lost.
Connect 4!
Did I?
You had this one earlier.
Oh yeah!
You had this. I didn't want to say nothing.
I didn't notice. I didn't see it.
The winner is Enrique. Bacon and cheese.
This is Jimmy.
Jimmy. Look at that. That creature.
Think about it.
Go for it, buddy. Oh no! How is it? Alright. So 1 point for Enrique. Nice. Next round of preliminary action is Enrique versus Anthony. Oh, Connect 4! Damn! Oh man! Enrique again, the winner! Oh man, salt and vinegar action. Oh, show him! Oh my gosh, like a full body. Oh my!
Say hi to Tyrone.
Oh shoot! Oh man, here we go. Oh! How does that one taste?
That was awful.
Oh man. Alright. 2nd point for Enrique in the prelims. Next match of preliminary action is Ray versus Antonio.
His first win! His first win of all time!
No!
Oh yes!
Look at what the hell is this?
Hell, buddy.
Oh my god. I'm gonna gag, bro. Oh! The texture is green.
They all said I couldn't do it.
You can't tell it's different when you're going home. Next round of preliminary actions, Antonio versus Anthony. It's getting intense. Connect 4!
Oh,
Redo! Damn! Woo! You were playing all offense, bro. Oh, he's going straight! Oh! Anthony's first. Sour cream and onion.
No. Alright, Jeffrey.
So long, buddy. Oh, the crunch. Next round of preliminary action. Enrique versus Ray. Connect!
Oh! Shit!
I took down the undefeated Enrique.
Oh no! His first cricket.
Oh! How does it taste? Grainy,
That's grainy.
That's 2. Oh! For the tiebreaker, for Antonio versus Anthony. Oh.
What?
I lost.
How? Okay.
Oh.
You already gave up.
Anthony is the winner. We're playing for the #1 seed. Tiebreaker, Enrique versus Ray. Connect 4!
Oh! Damn.
#1 seed.
Ramon
Ray
versus me.
versus Antonio.
Gonna pull off an upset.
And then Enrique, the #2 seed, versus the #3 seed, Anthony. So the first match of the semifinals, the #2 seed, Enrique, versus the #3 seed, Anthony. So this is going to be a 2 out of 3 match. Enrique with the first move. Connect 4! Game 1 goes to Enrique. The first round of the semifinals match between the #1 seed Ray versus the #4 seed Antonio. My move.
Oh no! Oh fuck!
Connect 4! 2 ways!
I thought I won on this one.
Round 2 of the semifinal matchup between Enrique and Anthony. Damn.
You won either way.
Oh, eliminated. Oh man. Anthony is the first one eliminated. And the winner is Enrique. Going to the finals. We got the bacon and cheese, salt and pepper, and sour cream and onion.
About to take out a whole family.
Let's do it. Yeah. Oh man. Oh god, it's getting grainy, yeah. And Enrique is going to the finals. Woo!
Right there.
Alright, game 2 of the semi-final matchup between #1 seed Ray versus the #4 seed Antonio.
Oh my god, that was quick! What is going on?
No!
Look at that!
God.
Hell has frozen over. Oh man. The upset of the century.
Antonio forced a game 3. It's tied 1-1. So the winner of this game will take it to the finals versus Enrique.
No.
Game 3 matchup starts now. Yeah! Boom!
No.
The #1 seed prevailed. He got 2 of each.
Just take on the twos.
Go for it, buddy. Oh yeah. Oh man. Oh, that looks great. Woo! And the championship matchup: number 1 seed Ray versus number 2 seed Enrique. This is it. So the championship matchup of the Connect 4 Cricket Eating Challenge is number 1 seed Ray versus number 2 seed Enrique. Oh no! Oh no! Connect 4!
Oh, straight up and down.
Straight up, baby. That's 1. This is game 2 of the best of 3 final championship. Starts now. Yeah!
Gotta throw him off.
Yeah!
What happened there?
Oh man!
You got this whole row.
5 in a row. Series is tied 1-1.
Dude, what a
Damn, what a
Connect
match.
5.
This is the final game of the championship series. Championship series starts now. Connect 4!
Oh my God! That was too fast.
I was really thinking of my move.
Game
Oh
over.
my God.
The
Yeah.
champion is here.
Crazy.
Oh man. And Ray is the first annual Connect 4.
The inaugural champion.
What a bracket.
This is Jacob.
Oh yeah.
That one looks like it's flavorful.
Oh god. Oh, that is it. Zoom in on that guy. Oh yeah. Nice.
No flavor.
So here are the standings. First place goes to Ray with gold.
Second place to me, Enrique, with silver.
Bronze for Antonio.
So that's the Connect 4 Cricket Eating Challenge. Hope you guys liked it. Smash the like button, subscribe, leave a comment on what you guys want us to do next. Thank you, Enrique, Antonio, and Anthony for doing this challenge. It was a lot of fun. Peace. Stay hungry.
Fingers